What's up, Bruno? What you working on?
No, I'm working on cleaner.
Cleaner?
Right now, yeah, I'm taking
For
out.
sure, right?
Yeah, for sure. I'm putting everything in the garbage.
You know sleeping today.
No, not sleeping today.
My
Today
man is awake today. He's cleaning and he's working hard.
Yeah, working
Thank
hard.
you, Mr. Bruno.
See you.
Maybe I'm a gangster too.
Yo, what up, bro? My 580 just arrived, and you know I'm looking for some wheels, and you know what I gotta put on it? Them Forgies. So I wanted to know what options you guys got, what you have in mind.
Big ideas, check it out. You can go with the whole full face, brush windows, or brush inside of the windows.
Could you do me a favor?
Yep.
Yeah, just could you send me all three over? I'm gonna go onto the gram with it, and I'm gonna do a quick poll and see what the people like.
Alright, it's a good idea. Let me shoot them to you right now.
Yeah, shoot it to me now, and I'm gonna hit you back with some results.
Alright, cool.
All right,
not
thank
working.
you.
Back again,
Today we received this beautiful GLS63 AMG. This shit looks crazy. I like it a lot more than the Maybach version. This one is getting the full tint done, and we're doing a SunTech PPF self-healing clear wrap on the whole truck. You know you gotta protect the investment, and we're gonna protect this bad boy. Bruno told me he was cleaning. Catch him outside messing around. Mr. Bruno, you say you was cleaning. What happened?
Yeah, I'm cleaning. No, I'm working on cleaner.
Cleaning what?
Right now.
The dumpster's full.
Right now, the fucking guy looking the picture of the woman.
No woman here, no woman. All right, so we got all the results. It was a tough decision. The top two choices was number 1. This is number 2. And then the second top choice was number 3. So we got 1 and 3. Now I gotta decide between the two. So I'm gonna call my boys back at Forgiato, and we're gonna let you know what's our final decision. We got the Acura TL. We did this vehicle a little while back. We did the satin red chrome wrap. We did the lip kit 360. We did a custom star headliner. It got air ride suspension. It got 20-inch Forgiatos, and it got a full custom sound system. This vehicle has won a lot of awards on Honda Day, Acura Day. This is top-notch stuff. Oh, and I forgot one more key ingredient on this TL. Chino, drop it for us. Yo, what up, man? Yo, we just got the poll results.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, it was mixed reviews. There was 2 options that they liked. It was number 1 and 3 on our page. We were like sitting down, thinking, debating what we should do, and we came up with an idea. What if you guys do 2 of the wheels on one side and then 2 wheels on the other side? How do you think that would look?
Yo, that's gonna be nuts. I like that.
You think
Check
that's
it
a good
out.
idea? Oh, wow.
That's gonna look hard.
Wow, that
Just
looks,
imagine on both sides.
yes.
Love it. Yeah, that's the way to go.
So we
You
do,
know what? I was just talking to John and HC, and they're gonna go ahead and sponsor the wheels.
no way.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's fire, that's dope. You
that's
know,
gonna be dope.
I appreciate you guys all the time.
Hell yeah.
We just finished up with Forgiato. We put the order in. It was a tough decision, so you know I took it to my Autosport family, and there was 2 top choices. So I decided to go with 1 rim on one side and another rim on the other side. It's crazy, I know it sounds crazy, but I think it's gonna look amazing, and I can't wait to show you guys. This is my bad boy. I've been waiting to show you. You're gonna see it before. Looks good stock, but once we put those wheels on, it's gonna take it to the next level. And doing that combo with the rims is gonna be something one of one, never seen, never done.
roll it up. Little bit. Roll it up.
The way I can get away is with you a tour, my nigga, then be a fool. You can sell drugs, my nigga, then sell drugs. If you gon'